Single-use plastics are designed to be used once and then thrown away, causing pollution, litter, wasted resources, and harm to marine life and the environment. So from March 1st, 2021, South Australia will be replacing the waste. Single-use plastic straws, cutlery and stirrers will be prohibited from sale, supply or distribution in South Australia. There are accessibility exemptions which will allow you to stock single-use plastic straws for customers with disability or health needs. It's your choice. If you do stock single-use plastic straws for customers with disability or health needs, they must be kept out of general reach and supplied only on request. Reduce your waste and save costs by encouraging your customers to avoid single-use items altogether. If these items are required, consider reusable alternatives. If disposable alternatives are required, these should be recyclable or compostable. By choosing to avoid or replace the waste, we are maintaining our nation-leading reputation as a clean and green state. For more information, suppliers lists and support material, visit replacethewaste.sa.gov.au.